Hi guys, good afternoon. Part of my gala, dito po ako sa Marks and Spencer. I'm gonna show you some of their sale. On food lang naman. Guys, on sale oh. Chocolate suitable for vegetarians daw. Cheese. Marks and Spencer. This is the price. Sale po sila until June 30. Ang mga pastries dito po sa Marks and Spencer. You wanna drop by? Sorry, bilis lang. Sorry, ayun. Kumusta po siya? Ito po yung mga prices niya. Ang laki ng discount sa akin. Ito, Hi, ayan guys, nakabula kami dito. Okay, on sale. Consumption 2 to 3 days. Alright, thank you.